Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could take your Wix website offline, or just wanted to have a backup in plain HTML that you can edit or use elsewhere, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a super straightforward method to convert your Wix website into HTML for 2025 and beyond. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to grab your website's code and start editing it on your own computer, no fancy tech skills required. First things first, let's jump straight in. Open up your Wix website, the one you want to convert. Make sure you're happy with how the design looks because what you see is what you'll be exporting. Now in Wix, you'll notice there's a preview button. Go ahead and click on that. The reason we use preview instead of the regular editor view is that preview shows your website as it would appear live to your visitors. This makes sure we capture everything from images to layout just as users will see it. Once you're in preview mode, pay attention to your browser window. Look towards the very top right, that's where you'll find your browser application menu. This might look like 3 little dots or 3 lines depending on what browser you're using. Click on that menu to open up all your browser's options. Now from the dropdown, look for the option that says Save Page, or sometimes it might be Save As, depending on your browser. What this does is let you download the entire web page, including the HTML, images, and styles, directly to your own computer. It's kind of like taking a snapshot of your website's code in its finished state. Select Web Page Complete as your file type if that option shows up. This makes sure you're saving not just the text, but also the images and other resources your page uses. Once you've chosen where to save it, I recommend picking a folder you'll remember, like your desktop or documents. Go ahead and hit Save. This part might take a few moments, especially if your website has a lot of images or intricate design elements. Don't worry if your computer seems to pause, it's just gathering up all of your site's assets. Now head over to the folder where you saved your site. You'll usually see an HTML file, and probably a folder with the same name that contains all your images and other resources. Find the HTML file itself, right-click on it and choose Edit. You can use something as simple as Notepad on Windows, TextEdit on Mac, just set it to plain text mode, or a code editor like VS Code if you prefer more features. Once you open it up, you'll see all the underlying code that actually makes your website work. You can tweak text, update styles, swap out images. This is your playground now. It's like peeling the hood off a car and actually seeing what's inside. And that's honestly all there is to it. You've now taken your Wix website and created a real usable HTML version you can edit anytime, without needing to log into Wix. Just remember, this method captures a static version, so things like contact forms or dynamic apps might not work outside of Wix, but for design, layouts, and basic pages, it's perfect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and drop me a comment below if you have any questions or ran into any bumps along the way. I always love helping out. And if you want more easy web tutorials and tips, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.